Plume coin is suddenly back on everyone's radar, and today's move has completely shifted the tone of the market around it. Trading around 4 cents, Plume has delivered a massive 60% pump in just the last 24 hours, turning a quiet altcoin into one of the fastest moving names of the day. This kind of explosive rebound normally doesn't happen without a spark, and Plume just got several of them at once. The biggest reason behind this huge jump is the renewed attention on Plume's expanding ecosystem. Over the last few days, a wave of new developers and early-stage Web3 projects have started experimenting with Plume's multi-chain architecture, and that has boosted sentiment across the community. Plume has been positioning itself as a next-gen chain optimized for real-world scalability and high-speed asset transfers, and traders are finally noticing how undervalued it has been compared to its competitors. Alongside that, fresh narratives around modular blockchains and lightweight execution layers have been trending across crypto Twitter, and Plume fits perfectly into that storyline. A couple of mid-sized influencers and analysts have started calling it a sleeper L1, and you know how fast sentiment changes when a narrative catches fire. The market loves low-cap tokens tied to infrastructure, and Plume is now benefiting from that wave. There's also rising speculation about upcoming partnerships. Rumors have been circulating that Plume could soon announce integrations with smaller DeFi protocols that want cheaper and faster settlement layers. Even though nothing is confirmed yet, this kind of speculation alone often triggers strong price movements, especially when the chart is sitting at a low base and buyers see a chance to grab positions early. Technically, Plume's chart looks like something awakening after weeks of consolidation. The sudden burst of volume shows a clear shift from accumulation to breakout, and holding above the $0.035 to $0.04 zone becomes crucial now. If the coin stays above this range, it confirms the breakout and opens the path toward retesting 5 cents, a key psychological and historical barrier. With the speed of today's pump, a clean break above 5 cents could quickly push Plume toward $0.06 to $0.065, especially if market-wide sentiment stays green. What makes Plume even more interesting is how the community is reacting. Social media engagement around the project has doubled. Conversations about Plume's modular design are trending again, and early supporters are calling the current price move the beginning of a bigger cycle. This type of grassroots momentum often becomes the fuel for the next leg. And long term, if Plume continues to roll out ecosystem updates, lands even one notable partnership, and benefits from the broader altcoin awakening happening across the market, then targets like 8 cents or even 10 cents over the coming weeks are not unrealistic. These aren't moonshot claims, just the natural extension of what happens when liquidity returns, narratives align, and fundamentals start shining through.